Web browsing. What is a URL? URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It's what you tap in at the top of a browser when you wish to go to a website. Here is an example. Another name for URL is web address. Just as a postal address enables mail to reach its destination, a URL allows your browser to find a specific web page or file across the internet. The URL must be unique and can only point to one place. HTTP at the start of the URL stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This is the set of rules, think of it as the language, that the two computers talk to each other in when they're sending data between themselves. www stands for World Wide Web. It's a bit of a legacy thing from the early days of the internet. These days browsers will default this if you forget to enter it when you're entering the URL. Domain name. This is a unique name that is registered to one owner and points to the root directory on a website's host computer. That's a complicated way of saying it's just a name that points to a specific place on a computer which stores the website. The names were devised to make it easy to remember rather than using the numerical equivalent like an IP address. You must register the name and it mustn't already be in use. Extension. .com means global company. Extensions give useful information about website owners. For example, .co.uk means a company in the United Kingdom. Other types include .org for a charity, say, or .gov for government. However, just because it says .co.uk on the end, it doesn't mean the website really is a company in the UK, because there's no check on domain name types. Anyone can register a domain name with any extension. Index.html is the default file name a browser looks for when you tap in the domain name. It usually contains the home page of the website. Here we can see index.html for Google and its home site. Sometimes it's not even displayed. Just like you organize your files in folders on your computer, websites do the same for their web page files. This is an example of a path to a specific web page within the site. Think you know what a URL is now? Let's have a recap. What is this? Well done. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. What about this? That's an easy one. World Wide Web. And this? It's the domain name. Remember, it must be unique. What about this? Extension. And there are many types of extension. And here, index.html. It's the default file name, usually the website's homepage. And finally, this is a path that points to a specific web page within a website. Thank you for watching.